Hey everybody, it's Sean from GoPart.com. We're here today showing you how to change a blower motor in this 2004 Ford Explorer. It's going to be about the same for any 01 to 05. 05 is going to be a little bit different. It's not overly difficult. What we're going to need is I have a 8mm socket and ratchet, small extension here. You may need a flat blade screwdriver as well. It's a little cramped down here, so I'm going to do my best to show you what I'm doing. But it's not overly difficult. It's a simple matter of loosening the mounting bolts that hold it in place, and then the blower motor drops straight down. The angles, as I said, is terrible, so I can't really show you the bolts, but they're up there. They just sort of run in a circle around the compartment there. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and disconnect this wiring harness. Sorry about that, guys. Bumped the camera. The wiring harness is right here. There's a little tab on the bottom. There we go. So you push it down and remove it. Okay, that's out of our way. There's a bolt here that holds the wiring to the dash. I'm going to go ahead and loosen and remove that. May not be necessary, but at least gets it out of our way. Okay. Now there are 1, 2, 3 8mm bolts. There's that one last bolt. Probably have to get rid of the extension, and that may not even help. I can already tell it's going to be kind of a bear. It's right up here in the back. So this plastic mount is in the way. I'm going to see if I can give a look at that. I'll be right back. Okay, now up underneath, this is in your way, and there's a 8mm bolt that sort of holds it in place, which I'm going to loosen right now, and that should drop that down out of our way. So that's that 8mm bolt there. Now with that down out of the way, we can access that last 8mm bolt. There we go. Last 8mm bolts out. Our blower motor drops straight down. We can go ahead and pull it out. It's now completely free. Now there's nothing wrong with ours. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put this one right back in. It's a simple matter of just pushing it right up inside. Okay. I'm going to try and line up your screw holes with the mounting holes there. That can be a difficult venture given the fact that, again, you can't really see anything. But we got here. I'll make sure you're wiring. There's some wiring that'll hang down. You want to make sure it's out of the way as well. Here's your blower motor out. So do this. We'll go ahead and take off this gasket. We'll put it on first. There we go. We'll go ahead and mount it up in there. Make sure that as I said, the cable's got to stay out of the way, including your cable plug. Go ahead and get that in there. And that'll mount up just like that. Trying to line up the screw holes here. The easiest way to do this is to get one lined up. See, we got one here. Got it lined up in the screw hole above it. Push it up into place and get that first one tightened in. Now with that in place, we can go ahead and tighten the remaining screws, connect our wiring harness, remount that, and we're all set.